Good morning all, this is Al Castillo, and today I'm going to show you a few trades that I got. It was, well, last night or early this morning. It was about 2, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. I stood up to about 4, so that's why I sound a little sleepy. So okay, so let's load this baby here. Let me see. Okay, here it is. We are going to evaluate 30 days back. All right. Now I I've been working on improving this network to be more effective, more practical, and I'm going to show you some cool things. I'm going to show you how to scan for price pattern like you've never seen before. Um, but well, that's not the objective of this video. I'm going to show you exactly the trades that I made last night, but using these cool features. Alright, so with this box you can actually um, now scan for patterns, from the beginning of today, which is this line here, up to here, anything in between you can scan it. On this setting right now we can scan it up to 30 days back. We are going to feed the network this information here so it compares with what I train to look for, and if we find a behavior that matches what's happening today, we are going to reconstruct that trading day period and then translate that into a workable trading plan so we can actually make some money. Alright, so here it is. I'm gonna take you down to this point. You see the network is already computing this point here, and at this point um, I got a projection. You can see that I'm taking the data from here up to here, even though the green box it shows this, but we always take it from the beginning of the day up to the point you desire. So at about here, well, it was actually a little bit earlier. um, Somewhere around there I got this projection um, to then go short, about this amount, which was about 27 pips, and then you had this one right here, would also showed a down move, and then a consolidation, and then another down move. This was the consolidation, and then the next down move. So I shorted here. Well, before using some other method of neural network, I also bought here very quickly up to about this area of previous resistance. But anyway, that's another trade. Um, the one I want to show you is the short here, based on this neural network prediction. I'm going to show you. This is a demo account where I have all my heavy, um, how could you say, heavy CPU demanding tools like neural network, and also constructing the currency indexes that also take a lot of time. Imagine evaluating all the pairs of the US dollar, comparing 7 8 different charts, applying weights to that, and then compare another 7 8 9 charts from the secondary pair currency, and applying weights to that too. It takes a lot of time to do that. It takes a lot of work, and when you run that on an indicator, it takes a lot of CPU and RAM. So all of my heavy loading tools like neural network and index, um, that are my own tool that I program, I run them on a demo account separate from my real account, so I don't overload um, the line and the RAM and the CPU when I execute my order. So I'm going to show you now the real account trade, and this is my real account, no sensitive information shown, just the trades. You can see that that I went long here, a few missed entry, but that's the trade I told you I didn't want to talk about. These are the shorts that I enter on the market based on this projection that I'm showing you now, and you can tell here is 32 pips, 32 pips, and then an average of 53 pips times 2. Alright, so that was a very nice trade using this network and this projection. Now you can see how several hours later these projections are still coming true, um, although I use them for short-term prediction, immediate next 2 to about 10 bars projection, in order to achieve what the projection is telling the price is going to do. But you see, many times this projection really work well, and they extend to several hours, and when that happens, that's really good. um, so um, right now, if we do a scan on what's happening, let's see, about this time right now, there you go, that's the valid one for this moment. You can tell it is going to find some bottom for the moment, or possibly move sideways. So any strategy that will allow you to buy low and sell high is going to be useful on the next let's see, this is 5-minute chart. So yeah, that's for a few hours, it's gonna be true. So we can also move this to a 15-minute chart, and then scan this using the same method, moving this, and you can tell here it is anticipating an up move. Most of these lines already match very well, so this is a very nice and interesting projection. Okay, you can see there, and you can see now it is projecting it could possibly move up. So there you have it. All right, all right, I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.